Hi, how are you? Long time. I'm good. What brings you here today? You remember the property you showed me last time? Yeah, I remember. What about it? Yeah, so let's connect online and talk about it. I really like the property. Okay, what day and time? Tomorrow 5 p.m. if that will be okay with you. Uh, do I have something tomorrow at 5? Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, sure. Let's connect tomorrow at 5. Don't forget.
The next day.
Hi, bro. How are you? Many days we didn't meet. Let's meet tomorrow. Sure. At what time? Ah, 5 p.m. at Starbucks. What do you say? Do I have something today? I don't think so. Yeah, sure. Let's connect. Why not? Hey, hello, everyone. So just now what you saw was a small demo what happens in everyday life of many business owners. So here I am bringing you a solution where you can automate and accelerate your booking skills. That is using a software where you can book their calendar demos, they get messages and you get an internal notifications and so much more. So let's get right into it, guys. So, as you would have seen from the intro, the software's name is ProLeads, and according to me, it is a very beautiful software. And calendar is just one part of the software. The other parts of the software we'll see in some other video, some other time. Until then, I hope you enjoy this video and let's get right onto the screen. So once you click calendar in ProLeads, you come to this particular interface. Here you can see which all bookings have occurred and the details for all bookings which they will fill in the form. So to create a calendar, we go to create edit. So here once we click, you get a plus button which is here. So we click that and then we come to this interface. So here first you need to give a calendar name. So for example, I'm going to give Pro Leads demo. So a location we should add where the person should connect. We can choose multiple like Google Meet. We have to enter a link here. So I will just enter a link. So here as you can see I have added a Zoom link so we can update it, and here as you can see we have connected Zoom. Like this we can connect Google Meet, phone call and an in-person meeting. So we have to write the address here in-person meeting. Google Meet we have to add the link, and the phone call you have two options. You will call or we should call. That is, the person who is booking should call or the person who is getting the info will call. So like this we have to all the four options here. Here we can write a description. For example, I will write here for booking a pro leads session. Okay, guys. Here, what is minimum scheduling notice? That is, if a person is about to book a session, so you want them to book only after 2 days, or at the same day they can book, or after 3 days only they should book. For example, Ramu wants to book a session, so he clicks the calendar link and he wants to book it for tomorrow. But here in minimum scheduling notice, you have put 2 days. So Ramu can book a meeting only after 2 days. That is minimum scheduling notice. And now you have three sales team. So you can put 3 here. That means that three calendar bookings can happen on the same time, and this is the date range, how many days ahead they can book. Recommended is 15, that they can book only after 15 days. Else, if you keep it longer, they might forget or they might not be available at that day. So here is the duration of the meeting. For example, I just choose 60 minutes here. The time zone where you are available, and here you should select your time when you are available. For example, if you are available Monday to Saturday and Saturday only till 12 o'clock, so what you can do is that you can select only till 2 o'clock here. But the other days you are available till 5:45. So what you can do is, here you see a copy button. You can select which all slots you want to copy to. So once you do that, it changes everywhere. Now you are not available at a specific time, so you can add a date override. For example, on 16th, I'm not available from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So if I apply it, while we see the booking, it will not be available. So any time between you can add from here. So important question: which data you want to collect from people before they complete the booking? So here you have three options. In custom fields, you can add more things like business name, is it required or not. Like this, you have a lot of options. You can even create custom options for future. So here we have to choose if it is active or not, and now we create it. So here you see it is available. I just copy the link, paste it here, and here you see it is available. Here, as you can see in the calendar, it is not coming 2 days in the future, and Sunday being a holiday, it is not showing. And on weekdays, Monday to Friday, we chose the time as 9 to 5, and 4 being the last session, as it is a 60-minute session. And on Saturday being 9 to 2, it is coming correctly. Here you can even choose 12-hour clock or the 24-hour here. Plus here you can see the description and the Zoom details. As we chose only Zoom details, your Zoom detail is coming. Else you get an option where do you want to connect. So for example, if I book it on 22nd at 9 a.m., here you need to fill the details. For example, I'm going to fill it. So here if we fill the data, it will come in our interface. So we just schedule an event. So you can see here ProLeads demo, everything you can see here. Now if we go to the dashboard, here you can see it is coming correctly. ProLeads, ProLeads.assist, send the number, the data, location where we are meeting, etc. And even in appointments, you can see it is happening the same way. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. And I hope I could add some more value in your life. So if you want to check out ProLeads, the website will be given in the description. Don't forget to check it out and comment how did you like this video and what do you think about the software. Thank you.